Hello everybody, my name is 𝐻𝐿𝐴 and welcome back to Ceramic Pro Kochi. Today I'm here with a brand new Ford Endeavour. It's not a regular Endeavour that we are used to be. It is the sport version of Ford Endeavour. The brand new Ford Endeavour Sport comes with the personification of elegance, power and boldness. It is twinning at Ceramic Pro Kochi for the ultimate protection of Ceramic Pro 9H coating on it to protect the investment of our customer as well as the beauty of this elegant car. It's powered with 2-liter diesel engine with automatic transmission. Compared to standard Endeavour, this Endeavour Sport comes with lots of cosmetic changes in exterior. Starting from the front grille, the chrome grille has been replaced with gloss black grille, and all the chrome detailing has been darkened. This blackout theme of this beautiful Ford Endeavour Sport need to be preserved. So here we are coming to the picture. Being industry's best product in automotive surface protection, it's our responsibility to maintain the sporty dark look of this beautiful car and protect it against the environmental damages. For Ceramic Pro 9H coating, these cars need to go through different stages, which include detailed wash, paint polishing, followed by nano polishing. So without further ado, let's move to our stage 1, which is detailed wash. What can I say? You have watched the full process video and I assume that you might be dying to watch the final look on this beautiful car. So it's right behind me. The 2 Endeavour Sport is now ready to burst on the road. These look absolutely phenomenal. The dark sporty look on this beautiful car has got enhanced and protected against all kinds of environmental damages. Even got preserved for coming years. Guys, it's so challenging to maintain this aggressive and such a huge car. But Ceramic Pro has made it easier for our customer to maintain it. I'm very much excited for you guys to watch the final look on this beautiful car. So make sure go and enjoy this video.